Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is going to be a special one. I'm taking you guys on a journey to one of the Qatar's most stunning hidden gems, Ras Al Brook, and we'll be leaving the city behind, driving through epic desert landscapes and reaching some insane beaches and rock formations you have to see to believe, guys. So buckle up and join me for an unforgettable adventure with me. So let's get started with the guys. From skyscrapers to wide open desert, the excitement is building, guys. This drive is all about stunning desert views, and we are just started with the official road trip to Ras Al Brook, and I tell you, the landscape is amazing. Look at these sand dunes stretch out for miles, and we are just cruising through them like we are in a movie, guys. The road is so smooth, but the dunes are insane. We are about to see some truly epic desert scenery, guys. So please stay. We are getting closer to Ras Al Brook, and the views are getting more and more dramatic. The desert keeps surprising me with how diverse it is. First we had those golden dunes, now we are keep seeing these rocky outcrops that look like something out of a scientific movie, guys. We are almost there, and I can already see the Ras Al Brook in the distance. These rock formations, wow. We are about to hit that perfect blend of desert and the coast. Trust me, guys, you won't want to miss all this view. This all view is an epic in itself. No more making you guys boring. Just see the landscape. It's amazing. This route is amazing to Ras Al Brook, and I guys tell you, it is worth every second. Ras Al Brook is located about 80 kilometers northwest of Doha, near the northern coast of Qatar, within the Al Dain area. It's renowned for its dramatic rock formations, sandy dunes, and stunning coastal views, making it a popular spot for the nature lovers, photographers, and adventure enthusiasts. And there's now an entry fee of 50 Qatari riyals per person to assess the area. This fee is helping to maintain the area and preserving its natural beauty, while also allowing for better infrastructure and management of the space, obviously, and it needs to be. So friends, for booking and planning your visit to Ras Al Brook, if you're coming from any part of the country, so please, to participate in any of the events or the guided tours, I'm recommending you to book in advance through local tour operators or the event organizers, because some companies that operate desert tours and experiences include Qatar Tourism, Desert Safari Qatar, and various other luxury travel agencies. And payment fees for the entry and events can typically be paid in advance also and upon arrival, depending on the activities. And however, always confirm the payment process with your tour operator or event host, because Ras Al Brook, with its this unique desert beauty and proximity to the coast, it continues to be the one of the Qatar's most captivating the natural spots to visit for the tourists. And with the introduction of this entry fees and chargeable events, it's becoming more organized, offering visitors an opportunity to enjoy the structured experiences and activities in a pristine desert environment. And before you go, guys, it's a good idea to check with tour operators for any seasonal events or promotions that may be offering to ensure for you a smooth and enjoyable experiences. And guys, don't forget to bring your Qatar IDs in case if they ask for it. You need to show on the counters to the ticket area, and if you are not having any Qatar IDs, you must be carrying your passport with you, guys. Alright guys, we made it. Welcome to Ras Al Brook. Just look at the view. The journey was totally worth it. We have got these insane rock formations, endless dunes, and the beautiful coastline right here, and this is what desert dreams are made up of. Seriously, I mean, it feels like you are in another planet with all these jagged cliffs and smooth sand dunes. And if you look closely, you can even spot a few spots to take some amazing photos, guys. And that's in Qatar. And this is the best part of this, is this amazing coastline. 1 minute, guys. Okay, as soon as we stepped out of our cars, we realized, wow, the wind is serious out here. This desert landscape looks calm, but trust me, it's windy as heck. Looks like we are gonna have to run back to the car and grab some jackets and sweaters before we can really enjoy this place. Friends, let's have a quick pit stop and get our jackets, because the desert wind is no joke. So, alright, guys, we made it. I can't believe we are finally here at Rasebrook, and now it's not just through the screen, it's face to face. And I'm super excited to finally meet you guys in person. We have got the winds, the desert, and the rocks all around us. This place is everything I hoped it would be, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Guys, getting out here to Rasebrook was not just about the incredible views, it's all about sharing this moment with you guys. Finally, I'm not just the voice behind the screen, I'm standing here with you and experience it together. Now, let's go check out some of these crazy rock formations and see what else this place has to offer. These jute tents are giving a rustic and cozy feel. Guys, I'm not kidding when I say Rasebrook is full of surprises, guys. We have got this amazing trampoline set up right here in the desert. Whether you are an adult looking to release some energy or a kid who is ready to bounce around, it's a perfect way to mix some fun into the desert.
ऐसे मत जाओ हर जगह
नहीं है बताना तनु वन मोर कर
Three colors, one Arabic coffee. Guys, look at the sunset. The colors are amazing. The sky is literally on fire. For now, we have got adventure, exploration, and cap it all off with a sunset like this. I think this is one of those moments where you just sit back, relax, and appreciate the beauty of nature. It's really, truly unforgettable for me, especially. Sometimes it's these simple moments that make everything even more magical. The desert, the sunset, the music, it's the perfect way to end the day and enlighten the mood. A little dance to match the energy of this beautiful place. Just letting go and having fun is in itself crazy. So guys, that's a wrap on our incredible day here at Rasebrook. We have soaked in the desert's beauty, caught that unforgettable sunset and danced to enlighten the mood or an adventure, guys. These are the kinds of memories that stay with me forever. But hold on, we are not done yet. We have got another cool stop ahead. We are heading towards Film City, so let's see if we can catch a glimpse of it if it's not closed. I'm always down for more adventures, and I can't wait to show you guys what's next. So, alright, guys, I'm going to leave you with these beautiful memories of Rasabrook, and thanks for joining me on this amazing journey. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Stay tuned because next we have got some more exploring to do. Let's see if we can squeeze in a visit to Film City before the day ends. Before we wrap up, I made it to Film City and we are running a little short on time, so I'm just going to give you a quick peek at what is here. It's like stepping into a movie set. Honestly, it's such a cool spot. Didn't have much time to explore, but here's a little glimpse of Film City. And thanks for tagging along with me, and I'll catch you in the next vlog.